I'm Jeff Cording with Medical Equipment Specialists. I'm the ATP on staff. And today we're going to discuss troubleshooting common electric wheelchair issues, which is the most common one is my chair won't turn on. So we're going to come over to our chair and we power it up and we get nothing. What could it be? Well, the first thing we're going to look at is it the battery? So the chairs have a circuit breaker on it, on the back, on this Permobile, under here, and it's a cartridge fuse like you have in your home. You hear it snapping, and make sure it's on. On the Quantum, it's going to be on a little button on the side that sticks out, and you just want to engage it in and let go. After we do those two things, we're going to come back to our chair and power it up. So the chair does power up, then it was a circuit breaker issue. If that persists, you need to call a technician. If it doesn't power up, it's going to be a battery issue. So with the battery, you want to look at your charger. If you have a red blinking light, that indicates that the battery is dead and it will not accept a charge. What that means is the battery needs to be replaced. If it's a solid red light, leave the charger on and see if it takes a charge. The light should turn amber and then green when fully charged. Charger should be engaged all the time at night when not in use, and the chair will not overcharge. The charger is designed to trickle and then shut off when fully charged to maintain that charge. If for some reason the chair fails and you're in the field or out of the house and need to put it in neutral, you need to come to the motors, and there's a little pictorial here that shows locked and unlocked. You move this knob to the middle and that puts it unlocked. That's the right motor. You do the same for the left motor and that puts it in neutral. And what that allows you to do is to freewheel and move it. So it could be pushed back to the house and then call your service technician to come look and see what the issue is. Once that's done and you put it back in drive, you always must power off and power up again so that the computer sees the motors. If you do not do that, you're going to get an error code. If you have any issues, please reach out to medical equipment specialists or a field service technician to help assist.